This video will show you how to use the Respimat inhaler. The Respimat inhaler is a device used to give asthma medications. First, wash your hands. Get the inhaler ready. Press in the safety catch on the side of the device to remove the clear base. Place the narrow end of the silver canister into the inhaler. Push it down on a hard surface until you hear it click. Once the inhaler is assembled like this, it is good for only 3 months. Be sure to write the expiration date on it. Put the clear base back on the inhaler. Next, prime the inhaler by twisting the clear base in the direction of the arrows until you hear it click, about 1/2 turn. Open the cap and push the button to dispense the medication. Medication may not be visible at this step. Repeat twisting the clear base, opening the cap, and pressing the button. Do this 3 times until a visible mist of medication can be seen. Point the inhaler away from your face and breathe out slowly. Twist the clear base and open the cap. Put the inhaler in your mouth and close your lips around the mouthpiece. Press the button. Take a slow, deep breath in and hold your breath for 10 seconds. Repeat if your dose is more than 1 puff. Clean the inhaler mouthpiece with a dry cloth only. Do not get this inhaler wet.